Hello dear students, welcome once again to our channel Maths in Minutes with Priya. Today is clip 63 and we are going to learn few multiplication tricks. This comes under speed math. In first 62 videos from 1 to 62, if you have already watched, I have already covered few speed math videos such as quick techniques of percentage, HCF LCM, mixture and alligation, then simultaneous equation tricks, also square root cube root tricks, and along with every chapter I have given you shortcuts for profit and loss, time and work, problems on ages if you have watched these all chapters already. Now today we are going to learn multiplying by 11 and multiplying by 12, how fast we can take this product. So let's begin. I am starting with a small number. Later on we will multiply big number also by 11. When it's a 2-digit number, what we can do? This is 45 multiplied by 11. So just write here 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Add them. 4 plus 5, 9. That's the answer. 3, 2. Right here 3, 2. Add them. 3 plus 2, 5. That's the answer. 45 multiplied by 11 is 495. 32 multiplied by 11 is 352. Very easy, isn't it? But what if there is a carry forward? Look here. 79 into 11. So 7, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So your answer is not 7169. It's going to be 3-digit only. So what you will do? Keep 6 as it is. Take 1 here. 7 plus 1 is 8. Your answer is 869. 58 into 11. 5 and 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Keep 3 as it is. Take 1 here. 5 plus 1 is 6. Your answer is 638. Loved this trick? Multiplying by 11? Watch this part of video again. It's a very simple trick when numbers are small. But what when numbers are big? Let's see that now. Let's take a 3-digit number. 923 multiplied by 11. What I can do? Just write here 923 and write a 0 here on the left hand side. 923 is same as 0923, isn't it? Now just go on adding. See, first copy the units place as it is, 3. Then come here. 2 plus 3 is 5. 9 plus 2 is 11. Write 1 here and carry forward. 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. That's your answer. Very easy. Let's take some more big numbers. Any random number, say suppose 4, 5, 9, 8, 6. I'm just choosing anything. So what will be the first step? First copy that number and write a 0 on left hand side and then go on adding. 6 as it is. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Again carry forward 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. Again carry forward 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Your answer is ready. Let's choose say very big number. Anything, say 3, 2, 9, 5, 3, 8, 7 multiplied by 11. So what is this? This is 32,95,387 multiplied by 11. Very big. So what I will do? First I will copy it. And a 0 here. That's all. And now I'll go on adding. Units place as it is. 8 plus 7, 15. Carry forward 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 8, 12. 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So now there is no carry forward. 9 plus 14, 9 plus 5 is 14, 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 9, 12. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Now no carry forward. And 0 and 3, 3. So that's your answer. 3,62,49,257. You can check it on calculator if you want. Very easy. So multiplying by 11, it becomes very easy with this trick. Watch this part of video again to understand. Now let's see how to multiply by 12 in this similar manner. 87 multiplied by 12. First I am beginning with a smaller number and then we will go to big numbers. 87, so I am going to write it as 0, 8, 7. In similar manner, like 11 only we are going to do it. Slight differences, you have to first multiply by 2 and then add, that's all. When we multiplied by 11, what we did, we copied the units place. Here first we are going to multiply by 2. 7 2s are 14, carry forward 1. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17 plus 7, 24. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0, 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. That's your answer. In 11 what we did, we just went on adding, but for 12, first we have to multiply by 2 and then add. We are going to learn few more examples so that this procedure becomes very clear. Now I am taking again any random number, say 426 multiplied by 12. So what I will do first I will copy this number here and write a 0 here. Multiply this by 2. 6 2s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1 is again 11. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So that's your answer. Let's take one more number. Say anything. 8, 3, 4, 7. Again any number I am taking randomly. So first I am going to write it 8, 3, 4, 7 and a 0 here. What is the first step? Since you are multiplying by 12, what we need to do? First multiply this by 2. 7 2s are 14, carry forward 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 1, 16, carry forward 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19 plus 1, 20. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 0 plus 8, 8 and 2, 10. That's your answer. 1,164,000. Let's solve one more. Again let me choose any number. Say 5, 6, 9, 2, 3, 0, 8, 5 multiplied by 12. So what it is? Oh, this is very big. 5,69,23,85,000. That's the number and I need to multiply it by 12. So what is the first step? First copy it as it is. And write a 0 on left hand side. And then as per our usual procedure, multiplying by 2 and then adding. So let's do it. 5 2s are 10. So 0 here, carry forward 1. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5, 21 plus 1, 22. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 0 plus 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 and this is 0. So no carry forward. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, again no carry forward. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, so now carry forward. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, plus 9 is 23. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 6, 18. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0, plus 5 plus 1, that is 6. So that's your answer. 68 crores 30 lakhs 77,020. That's the answer. So today we learned tricks of multiplying by 11 and multiplied by 12. I'm sure you must have liked them because they are very easy and fast. Now you may ask me where we are going to use it, ma'am. Are we really going to need it? See, advantage of learning such tricks is your mathematical common sense grows and your analytical thinking develops. See, we have to give some food to our brain, isn't it? If you just go on solving with your conventional methods, that is also perfectly fine. If you find that multiplying by 11, multiplying by 12, we already know there are tables. Tables are also easy. Why do we need these tricks? That's absolutely right. You can use your tables, conventional methods also, no problem. But when you learn such tricks, that also helps you in logical reasoning, in which there are questions on coding, decoding. Many questions are based on mathematical patterns. So when you learn such tricks, your brain starts working in that direction. It becomes easy to solve coding, decoding when you know such tricks. In next part, we are going to learn few tricks of multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit, 3-digit number by 3-digit. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, Maths in Minutes with Priya, please do so. It's absolutely free. So stay tuned and keep studying. Let's meet in the next clip. Bye for today.